Welcome to Top 4 Earn Channel.
What if you could make $46,000 per month on YouTube without speaking? Yes, you can do this without even opening your mouth. An insanely rare opportunity on YouTube that you don't see often. You can do this from home, you can do this anywhere in the world, and you can do this with zero technical skills. Maybe spend the $46,000 you make to fly to South Africa, go on a wildlife safari and watch the beautiful animals run around, and hopefully not get too close with a lion. You can do this as long as you follow every single step very carefully and stay on this video to the end. Check out this channel right here, making anywhere from $9,000 to $77,000 per month with 6.5 million views. And the niche we're going to talk about today is driving games. Now, there's a lot of things you can do wrong, and there's a lot of things you need to do right in order to break through in this market right here. But check this out right here. He's getting the 200,000 views per day, making anywhere from $200 up to $2,000 per day. Isn't that crazy? And if we just step into his channel right here, you can see that he's posting pretty much 3 times per week with these extremely easy videos. If we go into one of his videos, you can check out exactly how it is. He starts off in the driveway, literally not saying anything, not even doing anything. And in a second, he'll start driving out of this town, and you can see on the top left, he actually has a wheel, and I'll show you exactly how much that cost in just a second. And what he's doing this entire video, he's just playing the actual game itself, having fun making videos just like this. Isn't that crazy? And you can hear that beautiful engine purring as well. Oof. That's good. But obviously this is not the only one. Check out this guy right here, Eric Ship 111. He has over 900 uploads. He's making anywhere from 1 to 15,000 monthly earnings, and the difference between him is that he's actually talking in the video. So it seems like not actually talking is better in terms of this right here. Now this guy does a little bit different type of content, and if you watched this channel before, you will recognize it. Take a look at these videos right here. 9 rare colors you can sell, 7 secret glitches and Easter eggs in Forza Horizon, and this is a top 10 or top 5 gaming channel. And this is awesome. I did one for Cyberpunk 77. You can check that out right here. However, this is awesome because literally 7 glitches, 7 secrets, 7 cars, 7 this and that you can easily just make a tiny little script, write it into the microphone. But this video is about not talking into the microphone. So let me show you somebody else. I'll actually show you one more that is almost the exact same as the last guy. He's making anywhere from $15,000 to $137,000 monthly earnings. 11 million views right here the last 30 days, and this guy does almost the exact same, but he has taken it another step further. He does voice, and he also shows his face. He is definitely in the car gaming niche. However, he does like GTA 5. He also does other games than just Forza, and he's more of an entertainer than all of that. You can see his face right here as well on the actual video, being an entertainer. Now let me show you the best one that I found that is ridiculous, and it's the title of this video, Expert Gaming Tech. Look at this channel right here. 46,000 monthly earnings, 400,000 monthly earnings, 34 million without even speaking at all. Listen, this is insane. I've never seen a niche like this on YouTube that gets this amount of views, and I'm flabbergasted right here. Just like the other guy, he just starts off in a small town, checking out that engine, checking out that beautiful car, come on. And also this game looks just beautiful if you ask me. Tell me what you think about this game in the comments below. But just like that, we have done a full 360, and then he takes off and starts driving the actual car. Pretty much the most simple content I've ever seen on YouTube, getting 300,000 views right here. He's just playing the game. Okay, so let me show you exactly how to do this step by step. Starting with step number 1, you'd have to go to forzamotorsport.net and look at this car. There's a little truck driving in the snow. There's some nice speed cars driving around in cool little small cities. You have to click on the buy now button and you'd have to buy the game. Just click right here and buy the actual game, download the game and install it. Now you need something to capture your screen on your PC or on your Xbox. And if you want to do it on PC, all you have to do is go to obsproject.com and you can download this software for Windows, Mac, or Linux. You can see that this is actually the software I am using right now to film my screen and create this video for you guys. And if you like this video, so what you need to do is to go and check out these racing wheels. So there's a lot of different ones that you can get and all in different price points and all of that. Let me just check out a couple of them. We're gonna check them on Amazon, this one, and it seems like some of them had a gearbox as well. I'm gonna find one with an actual gearbox. So this wheel right here comes at a price of 207 euros right here. Very cheap in my opinion. If you think about it like a business expense, you can make that back very simply in just one video if that video gets enough views. Look at this other wheel right here, 269 euros or pounds. Yeah, this is definitely pounds. You can see that this one has a shifter as well, a gearbox that you can use, and it looks even cooler on video, you know. And the last one I'm going to check out is actually this one, which had the best reviews, number 1, and that's actually 359 pounds. And what the difference is, hey, I have no idea. But once you have all of this set up, you have the game, you have the wheel, you have a way to capture your screen, all you need to do is film that, and then you would head over to this free software right here called DaVinci Resolve 17. This is how you get all the audio and the video together and you can edit them together, just like Windows Movie Maker, just like iMovie on Mac. But the great thing is that this is a really awesome software and it's all completely free. So you can download it right here, all for free. It's absolutely crazy that they are doing this. And you need a software like this because if you crash, and I know that you're gonna crash a lot, you can edit that out. And now all you have to do is upload that to YouTube with this simple thumbnail, which is literally just a screenshot of your screen.